Hello everyone, welcome back to Bullet Cubing, and today we are going to be talking about what are the benefits of cubing. So basically today I'm gonna talk about three main parts, which is improving memory, improving reaction time, and also improving logical thinking. So there are a lot of discussions out there in the web that, for example, if you cube, you're smart. If you cube, you're cool or something. And that is not true, okay? You don't have to be smart to actually solve a Rubik's Cube. It's mainly because of logical thinking. And logical thinking doesn't really equal to smart directly. Also, you need a good memory because you need to memorize a lot of algorithms when you when you want to improve your time, which needs your memory. Now, for the first category, it is improving memory. So for improving memory, basically you want to learn all of the cubes first. So 3x3 1, 4x4 1, 5x5 1, square 1, mega minx. And then you want to go into 3 blind, 4 blind, 5 blind. And if that still isn't enough, then you can try multi-blind. Starting from 3 blind, 4 blind, and 5 blind, these are all improving your memory. Personally, I don't do blind cubing, and that is why we don't teach it in bullet cubing. But I think we will open the blind courses in just about half a year. Next, let's talk about the improving reaction time. So improving reaction time, what I mean by that is basically to improve the sort of time that you, sort of like your response time. So what I recommend doing there is just to have 3 or 4 cubes very, very good. I mean, for example, you have 3x3 averaging around 10 seconds, 2x2 averaging about 2 seconds, and 4x4 averaging about a minute. That would be really, really good to improve your reaction time. So what I recommend is 3x3 1, 3x3 2, 3x3 3. That should improve it to about 25 seconds to 30 seconds. And then you just need to improve your turns per second and learn some winter variation, summer variation, that kind of stuff. Also, 2x2 1, 2x2 2, that should get you to 5 seconds. And 4x4 1 and 4x4 2 should get you to 2 minutes. And you just need to improve your turns per second. Now, at last, you can go into WCA competition prep, and you could just participate in some of these competitions. And from some of my friends, I learned that if you have a sub 15 or something, you could win first or second place in county competitions. But for for example, US Opens, you need about 8 seconds or so to get on the first 100 or so. So yeah, that is a lot of competition. At last, we are going to talk about improving logical thinking. This is what I mean by logical thinking. Basically, improving our geometry, for example, where the pieces move, how to move them, why, after doing this algorithm, your cube sort of basically changes state. And what I recommend there is just to learn all the puzzles. And I mean 3x3 1, 2x2 1, pyramid cube, 4x4 magic square 1, 5x5 1, mega minx. And then after that, if you're still interested, you can do 6x6 and 7x7, which we don't teach. After that, if you're still interested, you could do the 3x3 mirror blocks. You could do some shape-shifting puzzles, that would really get you have like the sort of 3D geometry thinking, and like how pieces move on the cubes. And yeah, also, for example, like the curvy copter, the modified cube, mirror blocks, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that mostly concludes this video. And remember that cubing doesn't mean you're smart, but does mean that you have good memory and good logic. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you found this video helpful. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!